In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Double Drip 10K. Welcome back to Vampire Vape, my name's Andrew, and yes, we are looking at the Double Drip 10K today, and we have already done an unboxing, but I'm going to show you in this video how to set it up and be ready to use. So let's go down and take a look. So this is what you will get from the box once you've unpackaged everything. You get the mod part, the battery part just here. We will come back to that. Let's focus on this part. This is the two halves of the atomizer. So effectively, you've got this piece just here, which is going to actually have your coil and cotton inside, which we will be refilling up with this, and it's just using gravity to refill it. So we've got two little bungs on the base just here, and we will need to remove those. So let's go step by step what we need to do. First thing I recommend is taking this piece, going to the base and pulling that off, which is going to reveal the connectors just there. Then on the top, you've got another rubber bung just there, so you're going to take that out. And then here, this is important, you're going to need to remove the bung that's there. There's bungs absolutely everywhere on this thing, so make sure you remove them all. One on the bottom, one on the top, one sort of in the center. Now we come to this part, which is the e-liquid container. So there's nothing in here other than e-liquid, and this is going to be feeding this part. So what you need to do is remove these little things that are sticking out. So you're going to grab one of them and just pull up, and it's going to pull out the little bung. Then you're going to grab the other one and you're going to pull up and then remove that. And then really carefully, you're going to align these together and then push down until it sort of clicks into place. And now it has become one unit, and that e-liquid is going to feed down and up into the reservoir on the back, and now we've just created this sort of whole unit. Then all you need to do is simply get your device and slide it in like so. Now, it does have a specific way to go. There's an arrow here, there's an arrow on this side, so line those arrows up, pop it down, and now you'll see a little window there which will show you your e-liquid. It's kind of hard to see because it's all grayed out, you know, they're dark pods, but you know, there we go. So you pop it down in there. Once you slide it in as well, it will show you on the screen 100% battery, and yeah, really simple. To use this device then, it is just an auto draw device, but there is power settings. So you've got on the base a boost button, and this boost button, when you click on it, will change on the screen low, medium, or high. So let's do it again, low, medium, high. And that's going to change how much power is getting pushed from the battery to the coil inside the pod. Now, once you've vaped all that 10K, 10 mil liquid of your flavor that you have, you're going to have to dispose of this part only, and then you can buy like one of the refill packs and change that. The actual device itself then is not disposable. You want to keep this because it's rechargeable, and you just simply recharge it from the base over and over and over again. I would still recommend when you're charging it to take this out and stand it upright, just so that it doesn't oversaturate, because there's a lot of e-liquid in there. So when you're charging, stand it upright and then you're ready to go. And when you're using the device, keep it upright at all times. And there we have it. That is how to use the Double Drip 10K. My name's Andrew. This is Vampire Vape. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.